Hey sunshines, hope you guys are having a great Tuesday. I'm filming a video. I'm having a Zoom video today. A Zoom meeting with my class. So I wanted to show you guys like a mini tutorial of how I do my makeup. So of how I used to when I went to school, but I'm still gonna get dressed up because why not? You know, you have all this clothes that you are gonna have to use. So I'm gonna come a little closer for you guys to see my eye makeup at least. I'm gonna do this run really quickly. So I start off with my brows usually. I use the Anastasia Dipbrow. And then I have this little like, it's a joke, but I use it to do my brows. And then this little e.l.f. like angled to do my brows. Angled brush to do my brows. So I usually start off here. And my color for this dip brow is in Ebony. And then I brush out my eyebrows a little bit. I try to have them like right here. Just right there. If I go any further, then my brows look a little bit weird. Then I'm gonna use my Colourpop Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. It's in the shade Deep Dark 200N. This is how it looks. It's really cute packaging. I got it from Ulta. And so I just do a little bit right here. And then on my brows, because they get really oily. And then I put a whole lot of concealer around my mouth area. It's the darkest place. Then I just use this little brush right here to blend it out. I really like this concealer. It blends in with my skin a lot. Some people like their concealer a little bit lighter, I don't know, but I like mine to match with my skin. And then I use a little bit of my sponge. It's from Morphe. I also got this from Ulta. And I don't really use the concealer everywhere. I know it's bad, but I don't like to use it everywhere because some parts of my face blend in more. I use the Fenty Beauty Matchstick. It's in the color RIDIIC, and I use this as a blush and also the eyeshadow. So I just put it like this, and then I blend some here. And this color shows up really good on me because I'm a little darker, so it shows up like a little pinkish. So then I blend it with my fingers. Sometimes I have this super massive palette from Kylie Cosmetics, the birthday one, and I just take like one color. There's like 70 million colors in here, but I just like to get like one that goes kind of with the Fenty Beauty one. It's, I don't know what the color is called, but it's this one. This one right here. It's kind of like a brownish one. And then I put it over it. I'm not very good at my eyeshadow, but it's gotten better over the years. So yeah, I usually put it on top, add some more orange. And then I use another little sponge. This is from Sephora and it's really dirty, so. I blend out my blush a little bit, so it looks more natural. And then I put my Super Shock Cheek, I think it's called Thimble from Colourpop. I need to fix this part because I always mess that part up. And also Joyce told me. Mind you, I'm not a makeup artist. So, like I said, I'm using my Colourpop Super Shock I just put it right here. I'm probably gonna be late for my Zoom, but you know, priorities that I don't have. And then I blend it out a little bit more. So then for my lips, I just use my Fresh Advanced Lip Treatment. And I have this little like liner my friend gave me. And then my Morphe gloss, it's called Pixie in the shade Pixie. I should add some more gloss. And then I finish it off with my Milani finishing matte. Actually, I'm gonna add this on for my lips to get it more color. And this color is in the shade Coffee Bean by Revlon. So this is the finished look. I'm ready for my Zoom meeting that I'm late for. Yeah! Eyes. This is my makeup look. Okay, thanks for watching Sunshines, and ignore all these towels in the background, but yeah.